Hello viewers, welcome back to CS Photography. Here I am back with a new concept into the magical world of Photoshop. I think you are learning and doing very good in Photoshop guys. I'm sorry for the delay of my video. Guys, before tutorials I think you have enjoyed a lot and in this tutorial you will get to learn very much guys. Guys, here I have a desert area of image. It is downloaded from unsplash.com guys. Guys, in this video I'm going to teach you about the exposure and brightness in camera raw filter guys. Before going to our teaching subject guys, please do subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell icon to do not miss any updates guys. So without any further ado, let's get started guys. This camera raw filter is found under this filter guys. Here I am using 2020 version. I am not using 2021 latest version guys. In this video we are going to learn about the brightness and exposure. How to adjust the brightness levels and exposure levels, and what is mean by brightness and what is exposure guys. Okay, I have opening the camera raw filter. Okay, my camera raw filter dialog box was open like this guys. It is not an updated version, so you will find like this guys. Here we will think about this white balance and profile in basic next chapter guys. First we will discuss about this exposure and contrast guys. What is exposure? Okay, I know, but here I don't know anything. Just I'm using to adjust this slider to over right and over left guys. Exposure is nothing but this is at 0 guys. This value is at 0. Right side of the value 0 is it increases the lightness and brightness of the image guys. Okay, it is very natural. It is at 0. If you drag the slider over the right side, it increases its brightness and totally became white guys. I think you are unable to see because the lightened parts are brightened and some here trees is the darkest part, so it is appearing to us. If I drag it total, here these are faded in and this brightest spot was some glowing out there. This is all about exposure. It means if it is 0, okay, if you want to increase this, if you want to increase the lightening or brightness of this image, just drag this slider to right side. It is pretty good. And if you want to decrease, like if you want to make any night concepts like day to transferring the image day to night concept, yes, just you should drag like this. I think if I change here this sky to night, evening, and here I can put a moon. Here it seems like same evening guys and some lightning. I think it is looks like evening. Day to night guys. It's all about exposure. Okay, remember one thing. Right side of, if you increase the slider to right side, the brightness level will increase. If you drag the slider to left side, it decrease the lightness. Look guys, this is different between exposure right and left sliders guys. Negative positive values in mathematics we can calculate as negative positive. If the positive values are present, it gives lightning. If the negative values are present, it gives dim light like dark. I think it is pretty good. Okay, some faded out and 0.90 is very good value to this. If I increase this, total light and dim light area was exposed to white and the darkest spot like trees seem to be dark guys. This is about exposure guys. Okay, I'm putting in at 0.90 guys. It's very good to me. And next coming to highlight, okay, contrast. I also don't know about contrast. I'm just playing with this contrast slider. Contrast is nothing but guys, contrast slider. If you increase the contrast slider to right side, the contrast makes the darker things darker and dim brighten things brighter guys. Like this tree is a dark part guys. Here we can see this tree is a dark part Look here, this tree is dark part. Okay, here I am fitting to 100. Okay, this tree is a darker part. Sorry, this tree is a darker part, guys. Okay, don't mind. If I increase this contrast level is nothing but these contrast sliders make the darker things darker and brighter things brighter. Means if a image have less lighting, it makes less lighting. If a image have bright, dim, dark light, it makes very dark. Okay, by increasing contrast, I can see the sharpness and hardness of this dark part were increased, guys. Okay, I think you are understanding my concept. It became very harsh. If I decrease, the darker things very become very dark. I mean, sorry, very dim. The darker thing came very dim. It means darker things become darker and lighter things become lighter. I think you have got my point, guys. When we use this contrast, when we increase this exposure, and we have to make that exposure as natural. Just increase this slider to right side. If you increase this like this, just increase this to left side. That's it, guys. It seems like evening look, and I'm putting here itself, and it is good, very pretty good, guys. I think you have understand. The harsh became the bright part and dark part became very harsh, and this light and sky path is remained same.